can cure the lost. So say a prayer for the sickly. She belongs to heaven. She's coming over like a suicide, and it's the same old trip. The same old trip as before. Another complicating suicide, and it's the same old trip. The same old trip as before.
I'm Tom.
I'm Cole.
Sam.
Phil.
So today, guys, we got 2 people up on the hill, and they've got an M14 and what's the other gun they have, guys?
M16
M16.
Marksman.
They have an M16, A4, and an M14. They're defending the hill against us. They have 2 hits and 1 respawn. We have 1 hit, unlimited respawns. If they defend the hilltop for 10 minutes, they win. If we kill them before then, we win.
Hey! Go! Get the phone off. Thought we were gonna cry. Get the eating chicken cover. Alright, move out to the plate for it. Go.
Hey Sam, we got primary positions?
I know one of them's at the ridge. Eat a chicken.
Okay, keep them down. I'm moving.
Yeah, Billy's still up there. I don't know where Matt is. Don't move up until you get a visual on it.
One of them's at the tree or
Yeah.
positions?
I heard the fire come from the left.
Gotta keep them down.
Alright, Billy's ate a chicken.
Hold his head down. Am I good?
Cole. Cole. Look over this way to the right.
Hey Sam, can you get some cover fire on him?
I don't know where Matt is.
Okay, I think he's at the tree-ish.
Tom, stick it out and try to get a visual.
What?
Billy's not looking. Get a visual on him.
Yeah, I got nothing. What?
Wait up!
No good!
Tom, get into the zigzag. Go.
I'm in.
What? Make sure Billy doesn't move up on that flank. On the left. Phil, hop with Tom.
Yeah, they're getting a lot of gun hits on the rail system.
John. Oh, watch out for
I got the area covered. Can you just give me
Holy shit! Where is he? Give me that look. Damn it, fogging the data.
Hey, Sam, what do you want me to do?
Rush him!
Where?
Matt!
I don't know where is.
Go, Tom. Keep firing. Go. Run! He's Tom. He's at that wood right in front of you. Right there. Hey!
Okay,
Surrender. I'm out of ammo anyway.
gotta go down.
Move up, Cole. Let's go.
I'm gonna go get some more ammo.
I got Billy. That's game.
Okay, so this guy was in the bushes, right? Like the bushes right over there? Yeah, he was pretty much sniping down our team, and I had to go first up the flank. It was pretty scary, but my teammates gave me really good suppressing fire. They were just yelling at me, he's right in there, right at the wood in the bushes, and I had no idea where I was until I like pretty much stumbled across him. I fired 1 shot that hit him, and then he surrendered, so...
Yeah. So basically, my plan of going around didn't really work because Turns out this position is like actually way more covered than that one that I had over there, which was down in the trees. And it turns out that that little piece of wood that I was gonna hide behind didn't provide enough cover, so that's why we lost.